Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive diesel, stock number Z9161XA. 41,000 miles on this one owner. This trade-in comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Coppertino Metallic in color. You'd receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear with removable rubber mat for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, adjustable power liftgate, power seats, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Make sure everyone's comfortable. Automatic transmission with push button shift. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Heated seats as well as all-wheel drive control. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 1.6 liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder, 137 horsepower, over 200 pound-feet of torque, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 28 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.